Uh, okay guys, let's learn PHP and MySQL. So let's just begin with PHP. So for PHP, what you have to do all is you have to go. First of all, you need to put on your server, right? So you need to put on your XAMPP server, alright? So let's just go to XAMPP. Like say, XAMPP, okay? You can go in XAMPP and you can just put it up start, right? Now you have put it on your server, alright? And you can go so guys, I'm going to use here Sublime Text, and you can use whatever editor you have, like you can use Notepad and plus, you can use Dreamweaver, whatever you have or whatever you're comfortable with, you can use that, okay? But I'm going to use the Sublime Text, okay? So let's just go Sublime Text. Let's see over here. All right. So we'll be learning today PHP language. All right. So first of all guys, let me just tell you that how does the PHP language start with. Alright, so the starting and the ending tag of PHP are PHP always start with the tag question mark PHP and ends with question mark and greater than symbol. Alright, so this is the way how the PHP start with and end with. Alright, and let me just write something in this, and just let me just echo hello world. Alright, and always you remember this, whenever you end the sentences inside PHP you need to put semicolon. Alright, and I'll just save this file, save as. I'll just go to C drive, I'll just go to XAMPP, I'll just go to htdocs, and I'm going to save this as I'll just make one folder. First of all, let's just make a project folder here as an PHP tutorial series, SERIES series. Alright, and this I'll be making page.php. Alright, so let's just save this. Nice. So now you can see this, it has changed its color, means it's okay, right? The script is nice, okay? And let's just access this script, okay? So in order to access the script you need to go to the browser. First of all, you'll be going to the browser here, alright, and you'll be typing localhost php practical SERIES series. Right, so let's just go there. First of all, no, okay, what I made that folder name, let's just check the folder name, XAMPP htdocs. I've just made that folder with a name PHP tutorial series. Right, I'll just copy this. Yes, so you just have to put it over here, PHP tutorial series, and you can put it up, enter, and you can see the page is already created with the name page.php. Right, you can access this and you can find this up. Hello world, guys. Now here you can see hello world, but it's in very small, right? So I think you would like to see this hello world over here in center and with the big text, right? So let me just show you that also. You can also put over here the h1 tag, right? Okay, let me just show you this. Alright, let it be. Let's learn PHP, and afterwards I'll show you how you can put it up. How you can design all those things. Okay, and let's just learn something first of all, right? Let's just learn PHP basic syntax. Okay, so first of all, it's an echo, right? So you got an echo, you got in here echo world, right? So okay, I'll be accessing this page in Chrome. I think so. It looks better in Chrome, right? So it's with the Chrome. Okay, so this is the hello world. All right, and now we're going to print something else, right? Let's just print something like echo my name. So how are you going to write my name? This my name is Ramesh, or you can put it uh, whatever your name is, right? So you can pass any string within this quotes. Okay, like you can pass anything. I like to eat apples. All right, and you need to put this semicolon. I told you, right? All right, let's just save this file and let's just check. All right, let's just go to our browser and let's just check this file once again. Hello world, I like to eat apples. Now guys, you can see here the strings or the sentences are together, right? I don't have gap between this, so it's looking very ugly, very weird one, right? So let's just go to the text editor and let's just echo here the BRT break tag, HTML's break tag. All right, now I'm sure you'll be able to see it very nicely. Hello world, I like to eat apples. Okay guys, alright. So next I'm gonna show you if you want to know the versions of PHP, that which version you're working on. So you'll be using one PHP function that is called PHP Info. Alright, let me just show you. Echo PHP Info, and you have to like bracket and you need to put semicolon, right? So it will put out the PHP info to you, right? This is a function, this is an inbuilt function of PHP. Let's just access this. Alright, see, you can see I'm using PHP version 5.5.37 and my system is Windows NT RAM is PC. Alright, and you can find the build date, you can find a lot of details about your PHP and about your system on this page. So this is an built-in PHP function. Alright, okay guys, let's just take it off this. Alright, now guys, if you want to make something like if you want to make something like the addition or subtraction, some arithmetic operations, how are you going to do the arithmetic operations, right? So first of all, you're going to declare the variables. Alright, so now I'll show you what is variables. Alright, in PHP always the variables start with the dollar symbol, right? And you can give it anything like dollar a. Okay, let's just give this as an dollar a, which is equals to 10. Alright, then semicolon, and always the variables start with a dollar symbol, remember this. And you can keep any name of that variable, right? And which equals to what? 10. Alright, and let me give one more variable here, dollar b equals to this one also, let this be 20. Alright, and if I want this sum of this both variables, what I'll do is I'll be creating one more variable, dollar add, okay, which equals to, right, which equals to dollar a plus dollar b. All right, and see guys, if I've already wrote this dollar equals to 10, dollar b equals to 20. If I add these both variables, what I'll get? I should get 30, right? So but I have given the variables and I have also given the result variable, but I have not echoed the variables, right? So this is going to work. No, it's not going to work. It's not going to add this both variables. It will add, but it won't go show us because we are not echoing these things, right? So just guys, let me show you this. Just save this and let's just access the browser. Okay, here, no, I'm not getting anything, right? Display, there is nothing in display, right? So let's just do one thing. Let's just echo this add. Okay, so echo dollar add, now put in semicolon. Now guys, you're going to see the addition of both these variables. Okay, so let's see this. Okay, yeah, I got 30. Okay, now I haven't put in the break in this. That's the problem. Let me just echo break over here. Right. All right. Now you can see you got 30 as an number, right? By adding both these variables. Okay, so this is the basics about the PHP. Okay, guys. Let me also show you the date time functions. Okay, how you're going to see the date, how you're going to see the time. All right, I'll be showing you that, but before that we'll be doing some other operators, some arithmetic operators, some more arithmetic operators like I've taken this door a and b as a 10 and 20, right? Now let's just give subtraction over here. If I just give subtraction over here, what's going to happen? It's going to minus the 10. All right, 10 minus 20, right? So what should I get this? Let's just see this. Let's just make this variable as an subtraction, right? And here also let's just name this as an, it is not needed, but just for your understanding I'm just changing this variable name. All right, if you will put this add, then also this thing is going to do the subtraction only, so it doesn't matter at all. I'm just accessing those variables through this syntax. All right, so it doesn't matter. Right now let's just go through the browser and let's just access this. So we got minus 10, right? So yeah, as expected. Why? Because 10 minus 20 is minus 20, obviously, right? So this is the subtraction, and now we're going to do the multiplication. So just change this sign to multiplication. It's going to be like this. All right, and let's just change this variable to mul, multiplication, right? Echo mul. All right, let's just save this and let's just access this browser. So we got 200, right? So guys, 10 to 20 is 200. We got this multiplication. Now let's just perform the division also, right? So let me just change the symbol to divide. Sorry, this one, divide. All right, and let's just name this as division, division. All right, and this one also as division, division. All right, let's just access this. 10 divided by 20 is what? 0.5. You got this as 0.5. all right, so now we understood about the arithmetic operators. Okay, so we have got some more operators. I'll just let you know about them. We have got the operators like double equals to, right? And what this means is, this means that the one operator is equal to the other operator, right? And the other one is identical, right? Triple equals to, which means identical, right? I'll just write down this equals to equal, equal, and this one is identical, 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 and not equal to, and the next one is not equal to, right? So how are you going to write not equal to? You'll be putting the exclamatory mark and then equals to, and you're going to write it as not equal. Alright, and the next operator is the angular bracket. Alright, and you're going to write its name as the not equal, same like above. Alright, and one more is not identical, exclamatory mark, and you're going to write triple equals to, and this is assumed as the not identical. Okay, so these are the few operators which you will be working with. All right, some more other, I'll just let you know that also. This is the greater symbol, right? So this represents the greater than, obviously, right? This is some syntax. Okay, let me just put it off. Okay, next this one is smaller than, of course, so lesser than or smaller than, you can write it like this. Okay, so guys, this is the operators. All right, and one more is there, two more is there, in fact. This is greater than and equals to, and the other one is the smaller than and equals to, oh sorry, equals to, greater than or equals. Okay, the same is smaller than or equals. Alright guys, so these are some operators which we'll be working with in the further PHP practicals. Right now I think this is enough. You can see some more PHP practicals in by next video. Thank you guys.